Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ashifa Alvasna. My registration number is 23005, and in this video I will tell you about cultural attraction in Bali. It is the most famous island in Indonesia. It is an awesome place with whole spectacular combination of natural beauty and cultural landscape. Its beauty blends in harmony with warm and friendly people. Here the culture continues to be preserved from generation to generation. The island is called Bali. Bali is well known by many names: the Island of Gods, Thousand Temples Island, and the Island of Paradise. People call Bali the Island of Paradise is not without reason. Bali has outstanding natural beauty like a volcano that looks close and big, and the green paddy fields which give a sense of peace, as well as the grains of Bali beach sand and the beauty of the sea which are so mesmerizing. Bali also has dramatic dance, diverse customary ceremony, the best traditional culinary as well as beautiful and wholesome art and craft. This exotic island has many interesting things to offer, ranging from spiritual life and traditional culinary to extraordinary experiments such as surfing, diving, and jungle trekking, which challenging your courage. This is why Bali is nominated as the world's best island in 2009 by Travel, and as the second best of Travel in 2010 by Lonely Plague. Traditional Bali architecture can be interpreted as a spatial arrangement that accommodates the life of Bali people which have developed from generation to generation, with all the rows inherit from ancient times to the present. Bali architecture is have a vernacular architectural style designed using local materials to construct buildings, structures, and houses and reflect local tradition. Bali architecture is heavily influenced by Bali Hindu tradition, as well as ethnic Javanese elements. Materials commonly used in Bali house and buildings include thatched roof, coconut wood, bamboo, teak, stone, and bricks. Bali architecture has the characteristic of using ethnic culture and art in every design element. The philosophy of Bali's architecture design is centered of Hindu, spatial organization, and communal social relation. A house or villa in Bali is built and designed with the following seven philosophy: Trihanakarana, Trimandala, Sang Mandala, Triangga, Triloka, Asta Kosala Kosali, and Arga Sagara. Bali dance is a variety of dance originating from the island of Bali. Bali dance does not always depend on the storyline. The main goal of Bali dancer is dance is states of movement and sequence with full expression. The beauty of Bali dance can be seen in the abstract and beautiful movement. The most famous Bali dance include Pendet, Gabu, Baris, Sahyang, and Negong. Bali dance are mostly religion in meaning. Bali dance can be categorized in three types: Wali, Bebali, and Balihan. Wali and Babali dance can be danced at certain places and times. The Wali dance is performed in the inner contrite and of the temple, and the Bebali dance is in the middle contrite. On the other hand, the Balihan dance is danced in the other contrite of the temple in an entertainment event. Bali traditional clothes are basically the same, namely obsidious the Sanghyang Vidi. The basic concept of Bali traditional clothing is the concept of tapak dara, called Triangga, which consists of Dewa Angga, from neck to head, Manusa Angga, from the navel to the neck. Province, which is usually called the Island of the Gods, has no doubt about its beauty, so it's not wrong if it's always crowded with local and foreign tourists. Why is the Island of 1,000 Temples crowded with tourists? Because the diversity of cultural arts made tourists seem reluctant to leave the island of Bali. Here are 5 popular well-known cultural arts in Bali. With its information, the young generation of millennials can understand and preserve the culture of their country. Then the dance, ogoh-ogoh, drama gong, shadow puppets, song and marriage. Bali people are generally Hindu, while the Javanese, Sunda, Sasak, Malays are generally Muslim, and some indigenous Bali also embrace Islam. While Christmas generally comes from residents of East Nusa Tenggara, Papua, Batak, Minahasa, and Chinese. Bali traditional house has a unique design because it emphasizes traditional element in it. In general, Bali houses that we know have the Candi Bentar gate on the front. This gate is in the courtyard area of the house, which is followed by the temple and steps and iron fence that is connected to the gate. I think that's all from me for this second video. I'm so sorry for any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching.